I'm getting close to 500 YouTube subscribers and I want to do a scrunchie giveaway. So stick around to find out what you could win in this giveaway. I will see you in a moment. Hey girl, hey, and welcome to OMG Scrunchie Club. For those of you that are new, welcome to the club. My name is Lamiel and I am the Scrunchie creator at OMG Scrunchie Club. But before I get started with this giveaway video, check out my OMG Scrunchie Club look today. So I'm not wearing any scrunchie earrings today, but I am wearing the OMG Scrunchie XXL called Joy. So it's a very cute scrunchie with like gold confetti strips all around it. And you can get yours today at omgscrunchieclub.com. Okay, so let's get into this video because I want to keep it short, sweet, and simple and straight to the point. So I'm very close to getting 500 subscribers. I think I started my YouTube channel maybe 4 months ago. So it hasn't been that long. And I want to do a giveaway. Yes, that is correct. So when I reach my 500 subscriber milestone, I will be giving away this lovely Christmas scrunchie and 5 mystery boxes of scrunchies. Yes. Yes. 5 mystery boxes of scrunchies. So these scrunchies here are scrunchies that aren't even on the OMG Scrunchie Club website as of yet. So when you get your scrunchies, you'll be the first to have them. I will not launch these 5 new scrunchies until after I reach 500 subscribers. So each box says something cool on the front. So this one says, "Hey girl, hey, scrunchies just got better." This one says, "Hey girl, hey, this is one OMG Scrunchie Club scrunchie to brag about." This one says, "Hey girl, hey, it's time for bigger, better scrunchies." Or for a bigger, better scrunchie. I can't even read what I type. Let's see. This one says, "Hey girl, hey, congrats. You are the first to have this scrunchie," which all of these you will be the first to have. And "Hey girl, hey, make sure to tell your friends where to get the best scrunchies from." Of course, OMG Scrunchie Club. So in order to qualify for this scrunchie giveaway, I have to get 500 subscribers, of course. And if you want to enter, I need you to comment down below in the comment section OMG 500. That is OMG 500. Also, you need to go and like the Instagram page. I am not very big on social media, like big in doing it. So you subscribing to my Instagram page will help me out quite a bit. Also, if you don't mind, go ahead and subscribe to the TikTok page too. That is OMG Scrunchie Club on TikTok and Instagram. And if you want to get some deals and coupons, you can also subscribe to the omgscrunchieclub.com website where you can get newsletters. You'll also get coupons because I am doing a lot of coupons and sales this month and next month because of the holiday season. So you don't want to miss out on that. And of course, Black Friday is coming up soon, but at OMG Scrunchie Club, it's going to be called Peach Friday and Cyber Monday. So I'll be doing some deals for those 2 days as well. And with this giveaway, everyone's going to be a winner. Only one person can win the mystery boxes in this Christmas scrunchie, but everyone will get some type of special coupon or promotion code where you can go purchase your scrunchies from OMG Scrunchie Club. Also, in order to win, since shipping is outrageous to ship out of the country, and shipping is slower now since the holidays as well. So in order to win this, you must be a US or Canadian or Canada resident. So I'm only sticking to North America right now because of the cost of shipping. So if you want to win or want to enter, remember, comment below OMG 500. Once again, that is OMG 500. Go like the Instagram, well, not like the Instagram page, but follow the Instagram page and TikTok. So when you do all that, put OMG 500. Let me know when you follow the Instagram and TikTok pages too. And when I reach 500, I will come back on here and do a random drawing of those people that have done what I asked them to do. And that's all for the video today. I want to thank you so much for your time and see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.